Hi, James and Nicky from Fine & Country, and you've joined us here today in the idyllic village of Price Marston, where we've got this stunning stone-built home, High House.
This beautiful Grade 2 listed property sits in just over half an acre. It's got flexible living accommodation and a tasteful extension. Follow us and we'll take you for a tour. You join us at the end of the tour in this beautiful, substantial garden.
I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this wonderful home. If you'd like more information, please contact us on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.